Oh yeah, this is it. This is the look. Hello! It's been a long time since we've been on the channel together, and I just want to say welcome back. Today we have a very special video that's a little bit different than my usual videos. I've been doing more of K-pop makeup looks, beauty, and style on TikTok, so it's a little bit different from my YouTube channel. But don't worry, I will still be doing DIYs, and I'll have another Crafts with Kaylee coming up soon. I am so excited for today's video. We are recreating Lisa's look from her music video, Lalisa, and we're using all products from YesStyle. If you want to dress up like Lisa, just like Jisoo did, then you need to watch this video. I've made it super easy for you. You can find all the products in my description. Also, while you're at it, if you do like my content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's look at the stuff that I got. So she's wearing a toque that says Lalisa on it, but obviously that's like merch that you can't really find on YesStyle. So I bought a plain gray toque. Some people call it beanie, but in Canada we call it toque. The quality of this toque is actually way better than I anticipated. She's also wearing these like really nice leg warmers, and I couldn't believe that I actually found such long ones on YesStyle. So these look almost identical to the ones she's wearing. I couldn't find all gray shorts like she was wearing, but I did find this one with a little stripe on it. I think it's okay. I think it's fine. I think we can tuck away the white stripe and see if it looks similar. She's obviously wearing a huge gray sweater, and I bought this in an oversized size. It isn't as big as I wanted it to be, but we'll see how it looks. I also bought a wig. I've never owned a wig before. She has black hair in the video with a little piece of like blonde or silver coming through, so hopefully this kind of looks like it. Let's just do it. Looks like the video is gonna go really well. Guys, I'm done. How do I look? Alright, I think I'm gonna call this Sheila. She's gonna go there. And of course we gotta talk about the makeup that I picked up. I think this is the exact palette they used in the photo shoot. So this is a 3 Concept Eyes palette. It is a multi-eye color palette, and it's called Plot Twist. So this is a McQueen eyeliner in brown, and I was looking for a lip liner in brown, but I couldn't find one. So I decided just to buy the eyeliner because I wanted to use it on my eyes and see if it worked on my lips. Alright, so let's go do the makeup. I put in some contacts off camera because I am a wimp and I cannot do it on camera, but I have some gray contacts in. My skin is so crazy. I had a crazy breakout recently. So I'm gonna start out with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. This product just makes my skin look a little bit better than it is. Already looks better. Skin already looks better. I'm gonna go in with the Rare Beauty Tinted Moisturizer. She's looking so much better. Instantly radiant. Let's zoom you in. Oh yeah, look at those pimples. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of color corrector. Now let's go in with the NYX Serum Concealer. Okay, let's do the eyebrows. Her eyebrows look a lot different than mine, so I'm just gonna try my best. I think this is as good as I can do. Let's put some brow gel on it. Not bad. Okay, let's create the eye look. I did half of it already, so let's do the other half. With a fluffy brush, I'm starting with this light pink color at the top. I'm just gonna spread it across the center of my lid. Now grabbing this mustard color in the center, I'm going to put it on the outer and inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to bring it a little bit further out because Lisa has wider eyes than me. I actually have quite narrow face, and Lisa kind of has the opposite. Like she has like a squishier and wider eyes, which is beautiful for modeling. And then there's going to be a second line, kind of see where my brow bone is. And I'm going to trace that line as well. Pigment on this palette is quite nice. That's pretty good. I also really like the texture of the shadows. They have a very soft matte finish. Now taking a small precision brush, you're gonna go into this, what is this color? Plum brown. And right on the outer corner of your eye, you're gonna line it. And then I'm gonna add some to the bottom of my eye in a very smoky way. Taking an eyeliner brush, I'm gonna go into the darkest shade and I'm gonna line my eyes with this shadow. I love how Lisa stays so true to who she is and that she incorporates like Thai makeup into her actual makeup look. Because if you look at this makeup look right here, I feel like the colors of it aren't really a typical Korean look. And obviously in the music video, she has a traditional Thai outfit on. Go back in with that pink shade and you're gonna go right underneath that bottom liner you just did. Then we're gonna add a shimmery gold shade. Using a black gel liner, I'm going to go over the line I created with my eyeshadow brush and make the line darker. I'm going to try the Kiss Mascara Bond to see if I can try to create this look. Sometimes it dries faster than I can do it, so then I'm like, strugs. Let's see. Oh, it kind of stuck. Oh! And also like pinch it together. No! I believe in you. Why don't we be happy? Okay. It's staying. Last one. Wish me luck. Yes, okay. Okay, I'm gonna struggle off camera and do the other eye, okay? I finished my lashes now. So I use the Korean technique for my eyelashes. That is the one where you pinch them together. I do have a tutorial on how to do it and it'll just be linked in the corner over here. As promised, let's try this eyeliner pencil as a lip liner. All right, that's kind of what she has on. And then we're gonna put on this peachy glow lip balm. I think it looks like it. It actually really looks like it. Oh my gosh, I think we did it. The last thing is to add her cute moles. I think we have 2 in the same spot. Alright, I think that's it. Okay, so the makeup is done. So let's get changed. Okay, so we're back. And this is the fit. I know you can't see a full body of it, but these are the shoes she's wearing in the video. In the photo shoot, she's wearing like really high heels, and I don't have those. I think the sweater could have been way more oversized. Like this was an extra large. Maybe try getting the largest size you could possibly get. I do wish the leg warmers were a teensy bit longer, but overall I think it looks pretty good. Let's throw on the wig. So we are back with the wig on. So I will deconstruct how I did this. It actually looks like a mess underneath. Wow, it feels so weird. I thought the best way for me to put it on was to just put it into 2 little buns, like messy buns. And then I combed out this guy, which I just messed up again. And then I just popped her over top like this. I look like a crazy woman. As long as the wig stays on, then we're good. And then I just put the toque right over top like this. So this is the final look and I'm pretty happy with it. I know I can't look like Lisa 100% because our face shapes are just so different. Our features are completely the opposite. Like maybe I look more like Jisoo pretending to be Lisa. So just a reminder that you can get all of this from YesStyle, and I have all the links in my description along with a code for a small discount. If you like what you saw today and it was your first time here, please like and subscribe to the channel. That would help me out so much. I'm going to continue working on my YouTube. I know it's been a long time, and if you're here from TikTok, hello, you are acknowledged. I genuinely love creating content and I'm hoping to merge both my love for K-pop and beauty with my DIY such as macrame and everything. So hopefully we can merge those 2 together and my YouTube channel will be a little bit of both. Thank you so much for watching and I'll Lalisa out. Okay, bye.